sun shines. Come on, join me on my easy coquito recipe. Salud. Okay, for this coquito recipe, we're gonna need 3.5 cans of coconut milk, 3.5 cans of cream of coconut, 3.5 cans of evaporated milk, and 1.5 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of grounded cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract. Okay, for this easy coquito recipe, in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to combine all the canned milks and whisk very well this all together. Okay, for this simple coquito recipe, we got all the milks in and I'm whisking everything all together. It should be all incorporated now, all the milks all together. Okay, now all the cinnamon is in here. I'm just whisking the cinnamon and the pure vanilla extract, all this good stuff. And now for the main attraction, we're going to put in the rum. And you put that in according to, you know, how much rum you want to put in there. And this is like the main attraction. Okay, I added, this is you should use the, I forgot to mention, white rum. And I put in a cup already, so I'm just going to taste it. But you use your discretion on how strong you want yours. And some people, they don't like alcohol at all. So then, you know, you wouldn't add the rum to it. But that's, you know, totally up to everyone's taste, depending on your taste. The rum is now added, and now it's ready to be put into the bottles. Okay, the coquito is now done and it's bottled. This makes, I know you only have 2 bottles here like this, but the amount that we use for this recipe, this will make at least 6 bottles like this, 6 to 7 bottles like this. Okay, and so it's all ready for you to enjoy, and refrigerate it after you get finished, and it'll be ready for the holidays. And one sip of this, you'll feel the warmth of all the coconut and rum and all. It's good stuff. Okay, and happy holidays. Thank you. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And see you on my next video.